So, hello and welcome to another episode of Keiara's Tech Adventures. Today I'll be doing a review on the Razer Deathstalker Chroma keyboard. This keyboard is a low profile keyboard, so you can see the keycaps are very low, and it is also a membrane keyboard with an included wrist rest. So this is what the Deathstalker looks like, all plugged in and lit up. So you will need the sign-up software to configure all of the lighting for this keyboard. So you've got usual wave, you've got breathing, which will switch between two colours or turn one colour off and on. The only thing about this keyboard that I have a gripe with the lighting is each key is not individually backlit. So if I go to one of my profiles, basically when I press a key, it should change that key, it should change the colour of that key. So when I press this, you can't really see it very well, but more than just this one key that I'm pressing is changing colour. It's like this cluster here. So another one of my dislikes of this keyboard is that the keys are quite spread out and they are quite large, so it does unfortunately mess up my typing, as I am a touch typist, which kind of annoys me quite a lot. But even though it's a membrane keyboard, the key presses do feel nice and tactile. They don't feel all squishy. So it is one of the best membrane keyboards that I have used. I haven't used a whole ton, I suppose, but yeah. So it does have a hefty price tag though, so I think the normal Razer Deathstalker, which is just green, is like £60, which is quite a lot for a membrane keyboard. And then this one above it, I think when I last checked, it was £100. So it is quite a hefty price, and if you want RGB, it's an even bigger price, like an extra £40 on top of that. I mean, some people could probably justify it, but I don't think I could justify it just for the RBG, but hey ho. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.